Hey everybody, I'm Reward with the Outdoor Gladiators, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, yes, I was able to be successful on the opening day of the 2025 Michigan turkey season. But what I encountered was a first for me. Check out the action.
Nervous, and I look in the wood line, and it's a coyote's like creeping down the wood line, chases it off, flies away. I lost sight of the coyote. I hit the box call. I hear a tom behind me, so I'm looking, right, obviously, and all of a sudden this dang coyote pops up 15 yards from me. I just couldn't get a shot at him. And then he ducked back. He just ducked his tail and ran back in the woods. That's a first for me. Man, that's just my luck. Every year, something.
Yeah, boys. First morning out, 2025 turkey season, got it done. It was a heck of a morning. Decent weather, rained last night, cleared up this morning, overcast. I had them just pounding them, like 2 over to the west, 2 to the north. And then I had the one coming in first thing in the morning. And I was like, he's working his way in. All of a sudden he picks his head up, starts looking around, clucking a little bit. I'm like, that's weird. There's no way he can spot me. Then I see movement along the edge of the field, and this dang yote comes out, chases after it, flies up into the trees there. And he's still gobbling, like he's still interested, but he's just not coming out in the field. And I don't blame him. That yote was on him. Well, like 20 minutes later, I'm like, where'd that yote go? I hit a few calls, just see the slightest movement, and I look up, and this dang thing is standing on the edge like 20 yards from me. I'm like, oh. I tried to get him on camera. That didn't happen. I tried to get a shot at him. Nah, he caught me, and he busted back in. But boys, holding off, and it made it work. Check out my setup. There it is. Built this little brush blind with my boy Anthony. Nope, I don't think they saw me. It's a nice one, boys. Ten, maybe 10.5-inch beard. I'll have to check it when I get home, measurements. Not much for spurs. Probably 2-year-old bird. I'll take it any day, baby. Hey everybody, I'm Rebor with the Outdoor Gladiators, and I just want to thank you for watching this video. The other boys are out there, they're after some birds as well. I just got off the phone with them. They're on them. So hopefully this is the first of many videos for our turkey season for 2025, and we can get out there for you guys to enjoy. Like always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, leave us a comment. We greatly appreciate, you know, all of you that do click on the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. But I'm pumped. First morning, 2025. I had a heck of a time. I had one coming in, and then a coyote chased it off, and then the coyote popped up like 20 yards from me, scared the living crap out of me. This one ended up flying down back into the field behind me and then worked its way into the woods, and I thought that was a done deal. Got him to respond with a few gobbles, and then it just went quiet. I look up, and there's like 6 of them working this edge of this field coming up, and I think he was the biggest one in the group. About a 45, 50-yard shot. Dumped him right there. Did have to go up and do a follow-up on him, but I'm absolutely stoked. Probably 10.5-inch beard. I'll have to check that when I get back home. Spurs, you know, they're nothing to brag about, but hey, baby, I'm jacked up, huh? I can't wait. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.